Welcome to Outdoorsy Thursday. My name is Mike, and today we're going to do something that I've been wanting to do since I was a child. So, this is your brain on drugs.
This is your brain. This is drugs. This is your brain on drugs.
So yeah, we're gonna fry an egg outside just using the sun. In New Mexico right now, it's been like 100, 104, 105 every single day this week. Today has actually been the coolest day, and it's not even hit 100. It's only at 99 right now. So, about 3 hours ago, I went ahead and I put a pan outside to heat up. So we're going to do two tests and see if the myth is actually real. Can you actually cook an egg on the sidewalk? Alright, we got the camera set up. We got the egg. We're going to go ahead and do this right now. Yeah. None of them are cooking. Maybe I'll try again on another 105-degree day. Maybe it's because it's not that 3 digits. But I doubt 5 degrees is really going to change much. I even tried that oil right there, and it didn't work. So, I'm going to go ahead and leave these out here. I'm going to go ahead and put this video together. And right now in the video, we're going to come back and see what it looks like in however long. But it's been like 5-7 minutes already, so. So yeah, this is 20 minutes later. Literally nothing's really changed. So, gonna say this is dumb. Alright, so this is an hour later after the first video was done filming, and this, yeah, it still looks like this. So if you thought this video was excellent and you want to see more, I post a lot of random videos all day long. So go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, comment below. Love you. Have a great day.